All right, what's up, YouTube? It's JJ with Macro Traders. Wanted to give you a quick update and synopsis of how the week may go. I want to turn your attention. This is going to be quick, by the way. I want to turn your attention to a Forex Factory, and looks like we don't have much red news folders this week. We have the WEF annual meeting. It looks like it's going on from Monday all the way through Thursday, and that's like all day. We do have inauguration on Monday, and it's President's Day on Monday as well. So I don't know. I think it could push the market up. We do have news on January the 23rd, 8:30 unemployment claims, and on Friday we have the flash PMI. Let's go to the charts. Let's go take a look at last week. I have some lipstick on here, by the way. All right, so last week we had a bullish week, and we took the previous week's low. It looks like we came into this week's consequent encroachment level, and then we rejected, pushed forward, pushed up, and looks like we're headed towards the wick, halfway point of the wick of last week, and perhaps take these the word I'm looking for, low resistance liquidity runs, right? On a daily right now, it just turned 6 o'clock, so we have the market just opened. We have the CE of last week right here. Looks like Friday. The CE of Friday. Is that Friday? Yeah, Friday. That's gonna be an interest, and maybe this order block here, which is also 50% of that candle range, that daily candle range. Let's see here. That's the daily candle range. So like for tomorrow, I do want to see if we want to come down here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. There's a 4-hour fair value gap right here. I want to see if we want to come down and see if we can push up to the 21.7 level. If not, maybe reject from here down to this 4-hour fair value gap right here. Got a 4-hour fair value gap right there. That lines up with this halfway point of that candle range body from on Friday. Let's see, Tuesday. Let's put it right here. So yeah, I want to see right now the two levels of interest on a daily time frame is, or this is a rejection block. Is that a weekly rejection block? No, that's a month. Hold on. Got a weekly rejection block here, weekly CE here, and then we have this daily, this 4-hour gap here, and a daily range of the halfway range of the candle. Yeah, let's see if we could either bounce off here to go up, or bounce off up here to go back down, and then continue up, because I'm bullish, especially with Trump getting back into office. Let's look at the 1 hour. We have buy side liquidity up here, sell side liquidity here. Yeah. And let's look at AS. ES, the same thing. On the weekly time frame, we took these lows here, especially last week's low, pushed up. We closed high in this wick, so it looks like we're beginning to disrespect it. This right here represents the yearly wick, which is basically December. Let me make that red so we know where that's at. Yeah, we came up to it, hard rejection, so we're coming back up to it again. Maybe reject one more time on a lower time frame, rebalance. This daily, Fridays body, which aligns up with this order block here. Let's see if I could, there we go. This is that candle range right there. On a lower time frame, what do we have here? We have a 4 hour gap as well. It's Tuesday. Let's go Monday at, yeah, we have a 4 hour gap here. There we go. Looks like we're beginning to drop down towards that 4 hour gap. Yeah, I'd like to see us come up in here overnight and then maybe push up tomorrow because of the inauguration. Yeah, we do have some low resistance liquidity here. I don't know. We could drop down, maybe even wick down, take this liquidity. That's still yet to be determined. All right. Let's go back to the daily. 4 hour. Okay. Yeah. Let's look at YM. Same thing with YM. We have this wick here. Some unfinished. Well, we actually hit that wick, the 50% wick here. It says weekly. Is that supposed to be weekly or monthly? Or is that daily? I'm not sure. Well, it looks like this is a rejection block, not the candle body range. It's a rejection block on a weekly time frame. Yeah, so we hit a rejection block. Hold on, let's adjust. B adjust. Oh, sorry. Forgot to hit B adjust down here, so that throws things off quite a bit. So it is a weekly candle range. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so that's done. Let's go down to the daily. I like to see us rebalance this candle right here. We also have an order block here. Let's clone this. And again, we have a gap here. Have a series of down close candles, which is a bullish order block. So I'm looking. Was there a daily fair? No. A 1 hour gap. It's also a 1 hour gap. And let's bring this back down to Monday. That's 1600. What is it? Where's 1600? 20. Okay. Oh, I guess we close early. Oh yeah, I forgot. We close early tomorrow. I think we close at 12 o'clock tomorrow. So. All right. So yeah. I don't know. All right. What else? We got Bitcoin. Let me take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, I was looking to see Bitcoin come back down, rebalance this wick, and also it looks like it wants to come down to this rejection daily rejection block. We're rejecting off this weekly rejection block here. And I'm still bullish, I think. Yeah, I'm still bullish. Let's take a look at this dealing range on a daily time frame. So discount would be here, which we have a daily gap here, daily fair value gap, daily fair value gap right there. This is in a discount. Obviously we have to contend with this wick and this daily rejection block as PD arrays. On the 4 hour, this is basically, this is their wick. This is like what's called the devil's mark right here. This candle represents the devil's mark. Looks like we're gonna probably come and drop below that pretty sooner than later. There we go. Relatively equal highs up here, but liquidity was swept. Yeah, right here. And what else do I want to look at? Let's look at the dollar. All right, so let's look at monthly. The dollar's been bullish. All right, this is basically a monthly gap here. Monthly fair value gap. There we go. Looks like we're disrespecting this monthly fair value gap, so it looks like dollar might aim for these low resistance liquidity runs up here. We did hit the consequence encroachment wick of the yearly level. If you go on a 12 month, that's this wick right here, halfway of that wick. Yeah, it looks like it wants to disrespect it. So last week had a bullish week. I'm sorry, we had a bearish week. Rejection. We took last week's high, hit the rejection block. Because all the other assets are bullish, I'd like to see if we want to come back down into this weekly gap here, and then see if we want to push up from there. So right now it's looking bullish. I'm sorry, it's looking bearish to me, but we'll have to wait and see because the market does what it does. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I want to take care of? Let's look at oil. Oil Oil looks like it's in a consolidation right here. Yeah. All right, I think that's gonna be it for me. Wanted to give a quick update of what I think. I'll probably live stream tomorrow morning at 8 to about 10 o'clock, which I live stream daily, almost daily. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment, and I'll make sure to answer any questions. This is JJ with Macro Traders. I want to thank you guys for watching, and have a good Sunday. See you tomorrow.